Hi friends, I am CA Kiran Kumar. I am here to update one important amendment of GST portal, that is ITC2A. What is ITC2A? ITC2A is nothing but a declaration of unutilized ITC transferred for obtaining separate registration in the same state or union territory. Let's discuss in a simplified manner. What is the background of ITC2A? That is, due to the consideration of the government and the difficulties faced by the taxpayers, government has given the option to the taxpayers. Now, what is the applicability? This is applicable to the persons having different verticals of the business of the same PAN. Let's take an example. Suppose X having a business in retail business and he has also business in manufacturing. This is called different verticals of business, and ITC2A is applicable to them, not for the same lines of business. Let's discuss much more detail. In the previous example, X has the business of retail business and he has excess credit balance in his electronic credit ledger of GST portal, and he has started the new business of manufacturing and registered with the GST portal with the same PAN number given to the retail business under GST. Then here is the benefit. How? He has to file ITC2A within 30 days from the new separate registration. That is, in this case, within 30 days from the date of registration of manufacturing business. Then he has the eligibility to transfer input tax credit of retail business to manufacturing business, but on one condition. The condition is input tax credit has to be transferred based on the ratio of assets held by the entity on the date of separate registration, and I will show you practically on the GST portal for you. Log into transferor portal, in our case retail business. Choose services on the return tab. You will be redirected to returns quick links. In that, choose ITC forms and you will be redirected to ITC forms, GST ITC forms. You can able to see ITC1, ITC2 and ITC2A. Choose transfer ITC to transfer ITC amount. In our case, it will be transferred to manufacturing business. You can give the manufacturing business GST number so that it will be gone to the transferee input. And here, log in from the transferee side and come back from the same site, and you can take the action. Whatever the retail business transfer, no, you can take the action. If you transferred, it will be able to see here. So that's it for the day. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share the video. If you like, please give a thumb and click a bell icon for more interesting updates. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.